Hi ma'am, good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Joanne Tapan Arididon.
How old are you ma'am?
I am 27 years old.
And where do you live?
I live in Puro 4, Cabanglasan, Malaybalay, Bukidnon.
Alright, so can you tell me about your marital status?
Married.
Okay, do you have children?
Yes.
How many children do you have ma'am?
One girl.
Okay, how old is your child?
4 years old.
Do you have siblings?
Yes.
How many siblings do you have ma'am?
10.
And what is your order in the family?
9.
Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a senior high school graduate.
So what is the reason why you did not finish your study ma'am?
Because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes.
So from what country and is it a finished contract?
From Saudi Arabia, I finished contract in 2 years and 1 month.
Okay, so can you tell me the range of your employment there from what months and year up until what month and year you've ended your contract in Saudi ma'am?
I end my contract.
Start and then the end of your contract ma'am.
My contract start is October 13, 2023, and then my end of contract is November 20, 2025.
Alright, so can you tell me your duties and responsibilities there ma'am?
My duties there in Saudi Arabia is I take care of 4 babies. I wake up early to prepare food and then take care of children to go school and then clean the house and cook.
Okay, so how old are they ma'am, the children?
The younger is 13 years old, the second is 9, the third is 6, and the last one is 4.
Okay, so since you've worked there as a domestic helper, so aside from the duties and responsibilities you've mentioned, do you have any other duties and responsibilities there, ma'am?
No.
No, so that's all. So how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am hardworking, and then I will respect all the rules and regulation in my employer's house, and then I will do my duties in my baby.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo in your body?
No.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
So why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
Because of financial problem, and I need to help my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Okay, so can you give me your idea? How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will tell them to stop, and I will talk to them for a calm voice.
So what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
And to my future employer, I am a hardworking, and I do the responsibilities in your house, rules and regulations. And if you have children, I will love your children as my own, and I will do my duty.
Okay, is that all, ma'am?
Okay,
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you.